Hey crochet lovers, welcome back to Miguelscrochet. In today's video, I'm super duper excited to introduce to you guys my new Wiwi Pattern Modifications. Meet the Goat Wiwi, you guys. A lot of you guys have been waiting for this moment, so here it is, you guys. Isn't he the cutest? I'm so freaking excited and proud how it turned out. This is the Goat Wiwi featuring, his own cute little horns, the freaking ears. I added some fur on top of the head to make it extra cute and fluffy and adorable. As you guys know, with my Wiwi patterns, I like to add like a white strand of yarn under the eyes to make the eyes pop more, and it just make it even more cuter, like kind of like puppy eyes. This Wiwi comes with its own little snout, the little nose, and the cute little beard, you guys. I'm honestly obsessed, you guys. And yeah, in case you guys are wondering, this Wiwi I made it with a 4.5mm hook, just normal acrylic yarn, and I think for the eyes these are 6mm or 9mm eyes. Can't remember right now. But guys, it's so freaking adorable, and yeah, I just want to show you guys how it looks. And in case you guys are like me and if you like to crochet with small hooks, look at this version, guys. I'm obsessed. So it's the same pattern, guys. This is for my own personal collection. As many of you guys know, I like to make the small weaves for myself to add it to my collection, and this is the one I made. It's the same pattern, you guys. This one I decided to play with it a little bit more by making the ears in different colors, the balls, and the beard. It's so freaking cute, and I even play with the pattern. It's up to you. Just play with the pattern, have fun, be creative, add your own little twist to them, and you will love it even more, you guys. And this one I made using a 2.75mm hook and cotton yarn, which is my favorite. But guys, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm super excited. The Goat Wiwi Pattern Modifications will be dropping tomorrow on my website at www.miguelscrochet.com, and for my Etsy lovers, I will list the pattern as well on my Etsy. Keep in mind the pattern on my Etsy are a little bit more expensive due to the Etsy fees. But guys, it's up to you to decide where you want to get a pattern. I hope you guys are excited as much as I am, and stay tuned, you guys, because the Wiwi pattern modifications will never stop. I'm so excited to soon introduce you guys more fun Wiwi pattern modifications, add him to your collection, and yeah, keep the Wiwis going, you guys. But guys, with that being said, thanks so much for your support. If you guys make this Goat Wiwi, please tag me on Instagram or TikTok at Miguelscrochet. I will be more than happy to see your creations. It brings me so much joy. And yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Starting from now on, I will try to upload more videos, show you guys all of my collection, behind the scenes video, and fun stuff that I've been working on. If you guys would love to see more Wiwi pattern modifications, let me know what are you looking forward to, because I have a bunch of new fun patterns coming soon. So drop me a comment, drop me a like, and I appreciate your support, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon, guys. Bye.